Hey everyone, here at Bracken Ridge, 15 lotter. Quick update on my weekly visits. We're currently putting in the water mains. You see, here we go, a black pipe with a blue stripe. That's the water main. They're all colour coded. So blue's water, so this one's water, and it's sitting on top, like more or less on top of all the other services. And at the moment they're putting in the house connections. And you see this stuff it's called polyethylene. It's quite thick pipe and it's got these joins. That's how they join it up. They got a welder that you hook up, and it's got like a heating element inside that heats up and welds it together. Yeah, so this is all the backfill. There's the valve there, and then there's a fire hydrant connection. This is the main here, and then they run all the house connections across, and they just tap into it. And then this is the water main here. So that's it. And then after that's done, I'll work on the road. That's the turning point. That's when it's all sort of risk-free in terms of rain is concerned, because then it's all shaped to the water, because we've got all the stormwater pits in already. Once the road's in, all the water will run into the road and down into the stormwater drains and not be a big swamp. So that's what we're aiming for. Whether it happens or not before Christmas is another thing, but that's the plan. It's the go, and we'll talk to you shortly.